Today let us do how to find mean using direct method. So in order to find mean by direct method, you will need, this is for the table, frequency table, okay. We will have class interval which will be provided from the question. You will have frequency, which you denote it as F, also will be provided from the question. Then you will have to write yourself the mid value, or what we call the class mark. We denote it by X. This one you have to remember the formula. Class mark, it will be upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. You will get it by calculating from class interval. Then after that you need the next column, Fi, Xi. Then Fi, Xi mean frequency multiply with the class mark. So after you multiply these two column, you write it here. Whatever you get, you plus all. Then this is a Greek alphabet sigma, or we used to call it summation. Summation means you will add up everything which is here. Then you add up also frequency. Then it will can be written as summation Fi, or we may write it as total n. Then whatever you get from here, we can use this formula, mean equal x bar equal to summation Fi Xi by n. This one you will get it from the last column, n you will get total frequency. So after that you divide, whatever you get, that will be the answer. So we will see now to do this one. I will do from exercise 14a. Then here we have to find the mean using direct method. Class interval, they already give us. Frequency, they already give us. So next, remember, we need to find out the class mark or the mid value. So what shall we do here? Remember the formula for class mark. It is upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. From where you'll get this? You'll get them from class interval. This side which are lower value we call lower limit. This side which are higher value we call it upper limit. So you will find the class mark here by adding this 2 divided by 2. So that means like here you can do 20 plus 10 divided by 2. So 20 plus 10, you will get it 30. Then 30 divided by 2, you will get it 15. So same way, here also 20 plus 30, we will get 50. 50 divided by 2, we will get 25. Same way it will go 30, or in another way you can simply see what is the middle number between 30 to 40. So it will come 35. So the same way you continue, okay. 50 you plus with 40, 90 divided by 2, you will get 45. 60 plus 50, 110 divided by 2, you will get 55. Then 70 plus 60, okay, 70 you can do in the rough, plus 60, whatever you get, you divide by 2. So you will get 130 divided by 2. So after you divide, you will get it here 65. So now we get the class mark. Remember, class mark we have to calculate from the class interval. Upper limit plus lower limit, then we divide by 2. So you do it for all, whatever you get here. The next column, it will be Fi, Xi. No sign here, that means we have to multiply. So you multiply the table from frequency to the table of class mark. So side by side you have to do those. That means the first one you have to do 11 into 15. See how much you get. Then this one 15 into 25. Then 20 into 35. 30 into 45. 14 you multiply with 55. Then 10 you multiply with 65. So please do the multiply by yourself. I hope you know how to multiply. Then whatever you get, you can write here. So you can try it by yourself, how to multiply. So 11 into 15. Do the multiply by yourself. Answer will come out to be 165. Then 15 you multiply with 25. I hope you finish. You will get 375. Then 20 into 35 you will get 700. 30 into 45 you will get 1350. 14 into 55 you will get 770. 10 into 65 you will get 650. Now we finish to multiply. We have to find out summation fi xi. So that means you have to plus all this value which you get here. So you add them by yourself. You will get here equal to those. Okay, you add them by yourself, then you will see we get this. Then after you add that, here also you add the total frequency. You add here, you will get, you can write either summation fi or you can write it as n. It's up to you. You can write any one. Here also, if you add them, it will come to 100. Then after that, remember, we have to find mean using direct method. So apply the formula. X bar, it will be equal to summation fi xi by n. So we already get no summation fi xi from here. It is equal to 4010. Then n we already get from here 100. So now you can divide it. 0, 0 you can cancel. You take 401. You divide by 10. So whatever you get from there, that will be the answer. So I hope you understand. You can try the other similar way. So remember, class interval will be given from the question. Frequency will be given from the question. Class mark, you have to calculate from class interval. Plus this 2, divide by 2 for all. Then after that, here if fi xi, you have to multiply the frequency with the class mark. After that, you multiply each and every value. You write it there. Then you add the total here. Add the total of frequency. Then you use the formula. This is the direct method to find mean.